Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad with Greek yogurt. First, hard boil 6 to 8 large eggs. Place them in a pot of cold water, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes. Once cooked, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes them much easier to peel. After cooling, peel and chop your eggs into small, even pieces. Now, let's create the creamy, tangy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery for a nice crunch, and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill for a burst of flavor. Finally, season the mixture with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything until well combined. With your eggs chopped and your dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the chopped, hard-boiled eggs into the Greek yogurt dressing. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the egg salad watery. Ensure every piece of egg is thoroughly coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your egg salad for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade Greek yogurt egg salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on toasted whole wheat bread, in crisp lettuce wraps, or alongside your favorite crackers. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or a few sprigs of fresh dill. Remember, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.